another lap, power walk. You have a stopwatch, right?
My life is totally different now.
The gap you're gonna get shorter, faster. And also you get an upper body workout, you can show.
This is the hottest thing going.
What is the fastest way to build your legs? Keyword, fastest. That's what I have a problem with this question. What is the fastest way to build your legs? Build your legs at your own pace, build your legs over time. If I give you the fastest way to build your legs, number one, based on your level of conditioning, you won't be able to do it. If you're tough and you gut it out, it's gonna be so painful, it's gonna be so uncomfortable, you're gonna quit within a week or two. So that wouldn't help you. When I get questions, I don't give you the answers that you wanna hear because you probably heard them, you probably read them, you want confirmation. Well, I'm gonna give you what works. If you wanna build your legs, do, that'll work. That'll work. This'll work. And by the way, one of the most efficient ways to build your legs, guys, is on a bike. Most people don't realize that when you're riding a bike, you are training your largest muscle groups, your quads, your hams, and your glutes, and your calves. Now, the bike has always been used as a cardiovascular machine. Have you ever ridden a bike outside and you go up a hill, it gets really hard to pedal, and your legs are burning, they're on fire? But guess what you're doing? When your legs get to the point where they're burning, that's the equivalent of doing some of these leg exercises. So when you get on a bike, do some type of circuit training. Go at the normal pace that you normally do. Increase the resistance to where your legs are burning. Slow the speed down. Feel the burn in your legs, which means what? You're doing weight training. Do that for maybe 30 seconds or a minute, and then go back to your regular pace. Do legs, go back to cardio. Do legs, go back to cardio. What happens over time, your legs get stronger, your legs have more endurance, and you have a faster metabolism, and you build your legs. Fast is not what works. A specific way to build your legs is what works. What are some good specific exercises for your upper abdominals below the jugs? Good question.
Terry.
Whoever asked this question, obviously what you're looking for is a flatter stomach or you want to see a six-pack. Here's my answer for you. If you're going to get a six-pack, if you're going to tighten your stomach, if you're going to see a flatter stomach, you don't do it by doing abdominal exercises. When you look at all these machines at the sell that promise you a six-pack, if you look at the small print that comes on the screen, it'll tell you that you have to engage in an exercise program and watch your diet. The reason why it's in small print, if you bring up the small print into a large print, you realize that if you do that, you don't need this machine. You don't tighten your stomach by doing stomach exercises. You tighten your stomach by reducing your sodium, reducing your water, weight train, and then lose inches.